Hello, and welcome back to AI World. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into one of the most fascinating aspects of artificial intelligence, neural networks. If you've ever wondered how computers can learn and make decisions, this is the video for you. Alright, let's get started. Neural networks are a fundamental concept in AI and machine learning. At their core, they are designed to mimic the human brain's way of processing information. But how do they work? Well, at the heart of every neural network is the neuron. This is where all the magic happens. Neurons take in input, process it, and produce an output. But it's when we connect thousands or even millions of these neurons together that we get something truly powerful. These interconnected neurons form what we call a neural network. And it's the structure and connections between these neurons that enable the network to learn and make decisions. Now, let's take a closer look at a neural network diagram. Here, you can see different layers of neurons. The first layer is called the input layer, which receives data from the outside world. The last layer is the output layer, which produces the network's final prediction or decision. Between the input and output layers, we have hidden layers. These layers are where the real processing occurs. Each connection between neurons has a weight, and these weights are adjusted during training to make the network better at making predictions. So, how does a neural network actually learn? It's through a process called backpropagation. During training, the network is presented with a set of data with known outcomes. It makes predictions, compares them to the actual outcomes, and adjusts its weights to minimize the error. This process is repeated many times until the network gets really good at making accurate predictions. It's like teaching a computer to recognize patterns and make decisions based on those patterns. As the network trains, you'll often see a training graph like this one. It shows how the network's accuracy improves over time. This is a crucial part of developing effective AI systems. Now, you might be wondering, where do we encounter neural networks in our daily lives? The answer is almost everywhere. They power recommendation systems, image and speech recognition, self-driving cars, and so much more. For example, when you use a language translation app, it's likely using a neural network to understand and translate your words. When you ask a voice assistant for information, it's a neural network that processes your request and provides an answer. In essence, neural networks are at the forefront of AI innovation, and understanding how they work is key to grasping the potential of artificial intelligence. That wraps up our deep dive into neural networks. I hope you found this video informative and that you now have a better understanding of this crucial concept in AI. If you have any questions or want to dive deeper into any aspect of AI, feel free to leave a comment below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting AI content here on AI World.